So there's two very key line setups that I used today. Number one was the 6-pound Fireline, which is my go-to for any sort of vertical jigging that I do. The reason that I like the 6-pound is it cuts through the water real well, but it also, you know, part of jig fishing is you're gonna lose some jigs, you're gonna get hung up. It's a lot easier to break the 6-pound off versus the heavier line. It just puts a lot less stress on your tackle. But one of the keys today was the mono setup. The reason that I like the mono is that it's a lot more forgiving, meaning there's a lot of stretch in it. So as you're dragging that jig down across the bottom and that jig is making contact, that line actually, it almost acts like a spring where it helps that jig to kind of skip and bounce along the bottom. You're gonna get a lot less snags. The other thing, because it does have a lot of stretch, when a fish grabs a hold of it, it's a little, again, like there's a little bit less resistance. It gives the fish a little bit of better opportunity to get a good grip on the jig. It also gives you a little bit of extra time to swing on the fish. The other thing, the high vis comes in very handy also for being able to kind of see what that jig is doing back there. In a lot of cases, you're going to see that bite transmit through the line before you feel it at the rod. That's also going to help out when it comes to keeping that jig fishing nice and clean and getting a lot less snags. So jig trolling, or for sure jig dragging, you absolutely want to use monofilament, and I love the 8-pound XT Solar.